Hey guys, so we're going to do a makeup tutorial today. I'm going to attempt to turn myself into a elf. We are trying out the Morphe palette. It is the Artistry palette 35B. Almost fucked up there. 35B. And so let's begin. Guys, this is Magic of the Enigma. We're going to try to do something a little bit different this time and do a voiceover so you can see hear the tricks and tips throughout the video just during the makeup portions. I'm also taking a second just to do a selfless plug here. Follow me on Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. It's all linked below. Alright guys, so just bear with me. I'm going to be watching the video as I do this recording and we're going to see how this works out. So actually, for the first couple of clips, I don't really explain what I do to the sponge before I put on my foundation. I actually prefer to damp it and wet it. Ooh gosh, I am so sorry for some of these fuzziness in the shots. It is not focused and that is ugly. Back to the subject at hand. We're going to be wetting the sponge usually on a tap just for a second or two and then drying it just with a squish or two into a towel. I like a damp sponge. It helps spread the product and it works a lot quicker and faster. I spend a ridiculous amount of time blending to the point that I have to spend hours editing out the amount of blending that I do with my sponge and foundation. So you don't have to follow my steps 100% with blending, but if you want to blend, blend away. Gosh, I do apologize for how blurry some of these shots have turned out. As I 3 minutes into the video, I realized that a quarter of my shots are so out of focus right now. I do actually fix this later on. Oh my god, I can't speak today. Later on in the video, so just hold on for another 2-ish minutes and then you'll be fine, don't worry. So, yep, here I am, blending again. You have to blend your concealer in. I mean, I am very avid of making sure my concealer blends seamlessly into my foundation. It fucking irritates me if it isn't. If anyone out there agrees with me, holla, leave a comment below discussing your hate when your concealer does not blend into your fucking foundation. Ooh, my favorite part, you gotta bake. So I love to bake. I sweat profuse. I can't speak. I'm gonna sound like a child. I profusely love to bake. I love to bake because I sweat. That's what I'm trying to say. I sweat a lot, and so I like to make sure everything is fully freaking set and it doesn't move. And yeah, apologize for my stumble. This is a trick that I kind of figured out on my own. When you are contouring with colors, I like to use my actual contour that I use normally on a regular day-to-day basis first. That way it darkens my cheeks and gives me that contour, and then I'll throw the color on top to give it that extra pop. This also happens to be one of those looks that doesn't look particularly awesome until 50-60% way through, and you're like, okay honey, I see what you're doing, it's coming together, you continue what you're doing honey. But until that step, just bear with it, because you gotta get through the ugly till you're the beautiful. Non-stop, constantly, all the fucking time. There's one thing that you didn't actually see. So after you do all the blending and you get the coloration that you want in there, I like to go over with the same powder that I set my foundation with. That way it all blends seamlessly into your foundation, as well as it gives it more of a set, and it's still popping and vibrant, but it's styllified down so the edges don't look as sharp. So right about now, I mean, the shots are still blurry, but they're getting better. Once I get onto my eye makeup, I get very heavily influenced by the fact that the camera was not zoomed, and we get full hands-on experience. Oh gosh, I never contour my nose. I just don't like it. It spends too much time for me because I get too picky at it and finesse about it. So this is my attempt at contouring the nose just to get it into fashion with the rest of the face. You see, now we get into the close-up shots. It is focused, it is ready. I also have a very bad tendency to duck underneath the camera and like put my eye like an inch or a millimeter more like it away from the mirror as I do my makeup, which is really bad for your eyesight and bad for the fact of trying to film. So I have tried to edit around that as much as possible. I do apologize. Ooh, girl, once I started doing this cut crease, I was starting to feel myself. I'm telling ya, just wait till the concealer gets on there and it creates that perfect cut crease. Girl. I personally feel naked if I don't have any type of color under my eye when doing color above my eye. I don't know about you y'all, but I need my color under my eye or I am naked. It's like stepping out of the house and having no clothes on. I am telling you. See, I told you it was popping. I told you once I put that concealer on there and got that color on there, it was popping. Just make sure you blend those colors back in there or it will look junky. I I also like to take a little bit of my highlighter, I mean a lot of my highlighter, with my packing brush, and I like to go right into the corner and bring it down into my tear duct area there. It gives you, it like brightens up your eye. It gives you more of like a teary look. And it kind of gives you an angelic vibe as well. And I just really like the way that it makes my eyes pop. So I tend to do it almost with every look that I do. So I gravely apologize for this next part. I didn't get a lot of it on camera. I ducked really close to the mirror, so you didn't get to see me put on the top part of my liner, which I usually do put in my videos. So if you want to see me do it and it look flawless, you can check out a couple other of my videos on my page. It's like a couple of them are less than 3 minutes long, and you'll be able to see how I put the eyeliner on. Will help, as well as you'll be able to see some mascara tips, and that will work as well. And those videos came out less than a month ago, so you should be able to find them on my profile, no problem. Oh no, oh no, 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 I'm doing my eyebrows. I hate doing my eyebrows. I never do my eyebrows. I love my bushy eyebrows. I've never plucked, I've never tweezed, and I've never fucking waxed them since the day I was born, and I will continue not doing it because I believe my eyebrows are perfect. Other than the little 2 notches on my side, whenever I feel edgy, I tend to notch up there, and I'm like, yeah, girl, I feel edgy. So I purposely didn't film all of the lipstick because lipstick lips are my ultimate weapon, and I'm not going to give my tips away from my weapon tree. It's like giving away all of the master plans at the beginning of the war and then going, fuck, now everyone has juicy lips, and I just wanted juicy lips, and I've lost the war of juicy lips. Alright guys, so we're getting close to the end of the look. I have no clue what I was doing with these random lines on my face. I was just like, I need something edgy to make me look like I'm in some elf tribe. So I did it. It was great. It was fun. It is ultimately no reference towards any Native American culture or type of face painting whatsoever. I promise you that. It is just fun makeup. Yes. But we're coming to the end of this. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and narcissistic montage after you hear me talk in the video. See you guys later. Alright guys, so I was originally going for an elf, and then it turned into more of like an elf fairy look, but this is the final look that I came up with. Hope you like it, and narcissistic montage, please. This was ultimately my first time ever doing a look like this. So to the woods I go. I had so much fun doing this look. I more do just glam looks. This is more just fun little get me up and try something new and be artistic. I'm going to walk now like this, outfit and all, hair and all, to go get some chips and munchies. I'm going to sit down. We're going to watch some Black Butler probably. That's what I've been watching lately, and kick back and relax. So hope y'all had an amazing time watching this, and toodaloots next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope that you guys enjoyed my little tiny bit of creativity and joined me on this little bit of a journey. I do hope that you follow me on all my social media platforms, my Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. It's all labeled on the screen here for you. That way I'm better able to interact and communicate with you and see what's up. So hope you guys have a great night and be safe out there. Love y'all.